Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix paste special option is missing or not working in Microsoft Office. Click File. Click More, Options. Click Advanced. Check Show Paste Options button when content is pasted. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.